while creating this campaign. And I think Sonal is the best person to take us through that process. May I request Sonal to just give us some anecdotes from those beautiful 6 days that we had.
Thank you, Chandru. First of all, big thanks to the two of you from a pure creative point of view for being such wonderful performers and endorsers. Actually, Abhishek, I just wanted to touch upon a few things, which is that creativity or creative process is a very collaborative process. Best results happen when teams kind of work together and bounce off ideas. And just from that point of view, we were absolutely fortunate to have both of you as endorsers, because I remember right from our first meeting, you are part of this creative process. You're in terms of ideation, in terms of giving inputs and subtle nuances. And I think the kind of authenticity or realness that's there in this campaign is partly because of that. I just remembered kind of couple of instances, for example. For example, in the cookware campaign, the cookware film, we had, you were supposed to cook an Italian dish, I remember. If that was part of the script, that's how we had written it. And you came up with another idea, both of you. So could you talk about that?
Abhishek, want to go?
Good evening, everyone.
बीवी भी प्यार करती है बहुत. So, you know.
Well, I think the said commercial is was actually Aishwarya's idea, so I think it's better that she narrates it. So, yeah.
जो बीवी से करे प्यार. So, no, both of us, I think, like we've been saying right from the beginning, first of all, good evening, everybody, and thank you for being with us today on such a special evening. We've really had a lot of fun with this campaign, working with Prestige and Mudra, and it shows in the results itself. You'll have seen the ads. And as Sonal was just sharing with you all, we really enjoyed the creative process because there was fun, there was an element of reality in it, and the interactions were kept as true as we all would know in a couple's experience at home. And when there was this commercial, when we were talking about food, as he's right, the initial suggestion was Italian food, but both Abhishek and me are such foodies, you all know that. And we love Indian food, and we said that's what comes most natural to us. We are Indian. We all normally have Indian food made at home. And we both are foodies. We enjoy our Indian curries. We enjoy what's obviously believed as rich Indian food, ghar ka khana. And at the same time, we thought it's great to communicate that with these appliances, you can actually achieve that same relish and yet not have to use as much of the fatty oil as we normally, in a preconceived idea, but rich in Indian food can be. And that's how we thought, let's just do this with Indian food and still have the communication true and keep it real.
And the other thing that I remember discussing while we were scripting it and having all those meetings with you is that you were constantly talking about the fact that in these scripts, in these commercials, nothing should be fake. It should be the way we behave at home, the way we talk to each other, you know, the little nuances again in terms of habits. And I think it was during the scripting sessions on Shot Glass commercial, where you are kind of getting ready to go out, that you had an idea. Could you kind of, do you remember that?
Yes. Well, actually, as probably a lot of women who are working or who have to have an active social life or choose to have an active social life, or in our case, we are public figures and we have events to attend. And yet there is normal life very much out there in the face. And Abhishek and me have always shared how we are like every other regular couple, fighting against time, trying to get ready on time to rush to events and things like that. And in today's day and age, with my current role of also being a mother and a wife and a homebody. Before leaving to go anywhere, I like to see to it that everything is ready, whether it is Aradhya's milk or food or, you know, after this event, we have to return home for dinner and things like that. So you like to see to it that everything is ready before you're leaving. So in that commercial, we did the last minute thing of putting in 1 minute. I'm just putting in my earrings while I'm looking in the reflection and keeping baby milk ready for later at night when you return. So that kind of, again, had a real meaning and a real communication. So we thought it's nice to bring that in.
If I can just add, also, I think one of the greatest challenges we had when we first sat down to work together as a team on the Prestige products was you're dealing with an iconic brand which has communication which resonates till date. I mean, it was fantastic. We were standing backstage and to see the original Jo Biwi Se Kare Pyar campaign and to see the reaction in the audience means it still resonates. Now, you know, many years later, you're taking new faces, faces which, if I may, in all humility, are known, and still to make them look as normal and as relatable to an everyday couple as possible. So I think the endeavor was not only do you have two celebrities endorsing a great product, but can you relive and recreate the normalcy with which the brand is known for? I think when I was growing up, I remember at home, I mean, it wasn't a pressure cooker. It was called a Prestige. It was as simple as that. Now, that's something that's so relatable to everybody over here. And still to recreate that realness in the campaigns was a huge challenge, if you remember, we all faced. Because we didn't want it to be another, you know, ad campaign where you have a celebrity couple and here's their glamorous life. And we wanted to try and make it as real as possible. Being a husband and an actor, and I'm not saying this for the women, this is for the men because we're equally vain today. Just before leaving the house, you want to check you're looking fine. So it was a wonderful touch to see Aishwarya, you know, just doing her last minute checks in the shot class. And, you know, it was elements like this that we really wanted to bring so that people could relate as normally. Although you did have two celebrities endorsing a great product, but it should feel like, you know, this is something that happens in our lives, in our houses every day. So the endeavor for the whole campaign was that. And I'd like to believe, slightly immodestly, that I think we achieved that. And I really hope that you'll enjoy the campaigns, yeah.
Absolutely. And, you know, a couple of things that I wanted to mention. I think your insight into brands, both of you, again, during the making of this commercial, what happens is sometimes creatively, when you are too involved with something, you lose sight of the product, lose sight of the brand. But both of you, again, keep bringing the brand back like you did just now, you know, that at the end of it all, brand has to be at the center of it all. And that realization, in fact, I must confess that I had requested both Aishwarya and Abhishek to become honorary creative directors at DDB Mudra. That request has yet to be accepted, but I'm hoping it will.
We're still negotiating the contract, remember? Yeah, the financials haven't fallen in place yet, you know.
And
Chandru's already panicking. Oh God, another round of negotiations.
Last thing that I'd like to say is that we all know that when it comes to creation of films or TVCs, there is always this X factor which is beyond scripting, you know, which you cannot script down. It just happens. And again, thank you very much, both of you, for bringing that X factor in, because that's what's brought in the realness, that's what brought in the authenticity, and that's what I truly believe India will love.
God bless. God bless.
Thank you, Abhishek, and thank you, Aishwarya. Truly, I believe this campaign will be remembered for a long time. Maybe 30 years later, we'll have a similar reaction.
If you have a few minutes.
Once more.
Chandru, if you have a few minutes, I'd like to ask Abhishek about the brilliant statement in the Mixer Grinder movie.
Absolutely.
आप लोग शायद जानते नहीं हैं, लेकिन प्रेस्टीज ने ढेर सारे नए products भी introduce किया है. One of them which Aishwarya and I found very interesting was उनका जो mixer grinder है is the first in the world, if I'm not mistaken, जो आटा को भी गूंदता है. हम लोग बहुत मेहनत करते हैं किचन में आटा गूंदने में. In this, it actually does it. And it was innovations like this which seem so simple, but actually are technologically just fantastic for a modern day couple to save time, that I think Prestige has incorporated in their already exhaustive catalog. And it's technology like this which I think really serves the new age Indian couple the best. Today, सब लोग काम में व्यस्त रहते हैं, समय बहुत कम रहता है किचन में बिताने के लिए. To get products from Prestige which will help you speed up the whole process and still not compromise the quality is something which for both Aishwarya and I was very important. The mixer grinder is great, the remote control for the induction cooktop is great, and now being new parents, I think one of the greatest things I found in the induction cooktop was, I remember we were shooting the commercial and by mistake Aishwarya ka jo haath tha, it went onto the stove. And shockingly, she didn't get burnt. So I thought that was great. If you have, young children who are around you while you're cooking, to have an induction cooktop which doesn't transmit the heat onto the tabletop is fantastic. So it's small things like this which I think you only learn through years and years of experience, which evidently Prestige has. It's a great honor for both Aishwarya and I to be associated with such an iconic brand. And I really do hope कि 30 साल बाद जब आप ये फिर करें, we'll dye our hair black again and hopefully 30 years wiser, maybe not older, but 30 years wiser, we'll be able to reprise our roles as the brand ambassadors of Prestige Cookware.
That's so true. And as you can see, he rightly said that we are so proud and so happy to be here, brand ambassadors for a brand that's got a history of nearly 60 years of experience, which is tremendous. And that means way more, and probably is the most invaluable fact to us as homemakers when we're using appliances for our family. I mean, khana, anna is one of the most, we virtually, we virtually worship our food. And it's so important to feel that sense of security with the appliances that we're using to actually nurture and feed our families. And it's also so pleasant, as you can see, when you have the male member of the couple actually be so informed, involved, and interested in the kitchen experience, as Chandru was just saying, sharing earlier with you all. In this day and age, we share all responsibilities of life as a couple. And Prestige just offers us an incredible array of products. In fact, even Abhishek and me, through the course of this campaign, have got acquainted with so much more than even we were aware of. And it's been an absolute pleasure, and we're thoroughly enjoying this journey. And we actually take pride in the fact that we've got the opportunity to revive such an endearing line like "Jo Biwi se kare pyar." Of course, I keep piping in and saying, "Arey, Biwi bhi pati se itna pyar karti hai, itna pyar karti hai." Coin something, to that effect as well, because I mean, she does so much for the family and for her husband. But it's true. I mean, today it is a couple thing, and this line is just timeless. And we have had such pleasure recreating it and reliving it for you all every day on set.
One last thing, Abhishek, I'd like to remember, I was remembering the Meri Biwi pe seeti mat bajana wala line. And I know that you all came up with it on the day, on the set, on the floor. You would like to say something about that one?
मुझे थोड़ी बहुत आदत हो गई है अभी. If you see my wife, then you can understand why also. So, मुझे तो आदत हो गई उसकी. But yeah, it's I think what happens is when you're on, be it a film or a product which you believe in, which you have immense faith in, I think these creative things come up. What I'd like to thank you all on behalf of both Aishwarya and I is that you all gave us the liberty to improvise, to come up with a lot of things, and let the whole campaign grow organically. And I think these are the things that will really touch the audience. And I truly hope they enjoy it, because they really are wonderful products. I mean, a lot of us, our journalists out there, are all much busier than we are. I'm sure they have 2 more functions to go to after this. And, to go and, stress about your home and your cooking and all, trust me, Prestige will take care of all your needs. And if you're not convinced, Chandru will gladly give you free products after the press conference.
Okay, I think the members of the press would like to ask you questions instead of us. So I'm opening the floor to the Q&A. So you're free to ask questions from Abhishek and Aishwarya or any of us as you deem fit. So the Q&A can start now. Can we have the mics? Go.
I can't see who that is, but is that Alok? Definite. Only he can ask a question like this. हाँ जी, जवाब दीजिए आप, पत्नी जी.
आजकल क्या खा रहे का मतलब क्या हुआ? ओ आराध्या, ओ माय गॉड.
मैंने दूध पीना बहुत पहले छोड़ दिया था भाई. आपने पूछा आजकल अभिषेक क्या खा रहे हैं?
But what do you make for Abhishek आजकल? That's what I was wondering. Like, I mean, normal घर का खाना. Like I said, when it comes to Abhishek and me, we are very, very normal. I think you all have known us for so many years. We are not heavily into dieting and all of that. We are normal people.
हम लोग खाते पीते लोग हैं.
हाँ, दिखता भी है. That's the trouble. So that's, and yes, Aradhya is also having normal home food already. Yeah, time flies.
अभिषेक, श्वेताब, एबीपी न्यूज़ से. अभिषेक इस तरफ, आपके राइट बाईं तरफ.
हाँ जी.
ये शुरुआत है हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी से पहले साथ काम करने की.
कुछ नहीं, I didn't understand the question.
हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी से पहले काम करने की, उस फिल्म में साथ काम करने से पहले की शुरुआत है जो एक साथ आप प्रेस्टीज के ऐड में आए हैं.
So what is the question?
कि आप उसमें साथ काम कर रहे हैं या नहीं, वो कंफर्मेशन आपकी तरफ से प्रहलाद कक्कर की फिल्म में.
क्या तो वही करना था.
क्या हम प्रेस्टीज पे काम कर रहे हैं? काम हो गया भैया इधर.
आगे काम.
not understood your question.
आप प्रहलाद जी की फिल्म में आप दोनों साथ काम कर रहे हैं. सही या गलत?
जी. प्रहलाद ऐश्वर्या के बहुत ही पुराने मित्र हैं. उन्हें बहुत सालों से जानते हैं और उनके थ्रू मैं भी उन्हें जानता हूं. प्रहलाद हम दोनों से मिले हैं एक स्क्रिप्ट के लिए. उन्होंने हमें बेसिक आइडिया सुनाई है, बट वी आर स्टिल टू हियर द स्क्रिप्ट एंड थिंग्स आर स्टिल टू बी कंफर्म्ड. आई थिंक इट्स वेरी प्रीमेच्योर टू से एनीथिंग एज ऑफ राइट नाउ. Unfortunately, neither Aishwarya or I can confirm anything. We've just decided to hear the script. We are still to hear the script and approve the creatives. If and as and when that is done, we will definitely let you know.
ऐश्वर्या, इस विज्ञापन में ये शायद प्रेस्टीज के साथ, अभिषेक के साथ जब आप काम कर रहे होते हैं और खासकर जब आप रियल अभिषेक और ऐश्वर्या जब किरदार नहीं निभा रहे होते हो, तो खास क्या होता है जो आपको स्क्रिप्ट से अलग, जो आप खुद से नेचुरली इनपुट देते हो? जब पति और पत्नी एक साथ काम कर रहे हो तो स्क्रिप्ट के अलावा क्या कुछ होता है जो कलाकार खुद ब खुद उसमें डालता है?
With due respect, अभी पिछले आधे घंटे से हम यही कह रहे हैं कि you know what's wonderful is that we all have been able to do this together seamlessly क्योंकि हम दोनों इस स्क्रिप्ट में हैं and the script is about पति and पत्नी and very, very normal, natural situations. I think Mr. Kalro, Sonal, we have all shared, Abhishek, we have all shared how it was very, very seamless, very natural, very easy, very organic. And what's nice is that they kept us involved very comfortably to bring in our inputs, to retain the natural element of the communication. And probably that's why just nothing felt, it didn't feel like an effort, it didn't feel forced at all.
Hi Abhishek, here, Tanya. अभिषेक, हमने यहाँ पे 6 एड्स देखे आप लोगों के, जिसमें से 2 में आप ऐश्वर्या को मनाने के लिए खाना बनाते हैं. तो क्या कभी रियल लाइफ में, जैसे ऐश्वर्या ने बोला कि हम भी एक आम इंसान की तरह ही हैं, तो क्या कभी आपने उनको मनाने के लिए खाना बनाया है?
इसका जवाब मैं देती हूँ.
अच्छा.
मनाने की कोई ना कारण रही है ना जरूरत पड़ी है. तो yeah, for fun definitely he has he's good at whipping up a curry and but we've done it for fun. It's not, we've in life not needed to manao each other over food at all by the grace of God.
ऐसी नौबत तो अभी तक नहीं आई है.
अभिषेक, टैगलाइन है, जो बीवी से करे प्यार वो प्रेस्टीज से कैसे करे इनकार. ये जो टैगलाइन है, तो आप इसे फॉलो करते हैं, और फॉलो करते हैं तो कितना ज्यादा करते हैं?
ठीक है, लेकिन आप पहले बताइए कि आप हैं कहाँ?
मैं यहाँ पर हूँ.
कहाँ पे?
यहाँ पर.
अच्छा. आपका शुभ नाम?
अमित।
ओ। जी देखिए, जब ये टैग लाइन मुझे सुनाया गया
आप तो देना होगा।
जब ये टैग लाइन मुझे सुनाया गया, आई थॉट भैया प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में तो मुझे कोई दिक्कत होने नहीं वाली है, क्योंकि साथ में आपने प्रेस्टीज साइन क्यों किया? क्योंकि मैं अपनी बीवी से प्यार करता हूं, तो मैं प्रेस्टीज से कैसे इनकार करूं? आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी ट्रू लाइन. डू यू कुक योर फूड समटाइम्स? ठीक है. I guarantee you, almost in every Indian kitchen, there is at least one prestige product. So I don't need to think this. It is a testimony that India gives for itself. कि जो बीवी से करे प्यार, वो prestige से कैसे करे इनकार? It's very simple. And they make brilliant products. And मैं अपनी बीवी से बहुत प्यार करता हूँ, और मैंने prestige को इनकार भी नहीं किया है. So you know, it's all the same. Yeah.
जाहिर है मुझे बड़ी खुशी हो रही है इस प्रोडक्ट के लिए, इस कैंपेन के लिए, to become a brand ambassador. It's wonderful.
Yeah, good evening to all of you. Vijay Shankar here. I hope you can see me. Thank you for the applause. Well, I'm from the media and artist as well. When did you... Thank you. You can repeat it again if you want. Yeah, let me come to the question. When did you start cooking? And, you know, when were you really aware about Prestige Cooker? You know, when you can be frank about that.
What makes you think I'll be anything but that?
No. In this sense, you know, because it's already 61 years old, but, you know...
So what do you want me to be frank about?
No. When did you really become aware of Prestige?
Well, I'm aware of the brand since childhood.
Okay.
I recall the commercial.
Yeah.
And, you know, I recall it in the Sunday movie intervals on television. It's just, it's such an immediate recall. I mean, that's precisely why the brand and its communication has been iconic in a way. I think the moment you hear Jo Biwi Se Kare Pyar, anybody who's seen that commercial will be able to complete the line. So that's why we are repetitive in stating very confidently that this is quite an iconic recall in terms of communication for a brand. And very honestly, and you ask anybody around here, the first thing people associate with Prestige is pressure cooker. That's the first product that is virtually synonymous. And that's why we believe that we had it in our household. It's a part of every household. And it cuts through society, it cuts through homes, it cuts across India, or anybody definitely involved in our cooking and who enjoys our cuisine, which evidently now goes way beyond our borders. Okay. And so for me, this brand was... is a natural association for me. I mean, it wasn't even it's not even something that you need to excessively think about when you're saying 1 minute, Prestige, home appliances, happily get on board. And when have I been a part of the kitchen? Well, I come from a normal Mangalorean family, and I have been a part of helping my mother in the kitchen from very early, from very young. So the kitchen has been a familiar space for me from way before showbiz ever started. And showbiz started around the age of 18, 19. So way before that. Kitchen is very familiar turf for me.
Aishwarya, hi, I'm Sonu Pier. I would like to know one dish which you have cooked in Prestige which Abhishek absolutely loves, and one dish which he doesn't.
Shouldn't you be asking Abhishek that question? So that he can very honestly, very frankly answer that.
Whatever she cooks with great love.
But one dish, Abhishek.
And that makes it fantastic. Bhaiya, pitwana mat, abhi public platform pe bata दूं, तो then I'll go home and she'll have to, you know, so...
Just serve him.
No, not at all. She actually makes fantastic desserts. I still remember, as soon as we got married, there is a Bengali custom that the jo ghar ki nayi bahu hoti hain, she goes into the kitchen and cooks the first meal, and she made fantastic halwa for me, and her desserts are very good. And till date, and I'm being very honest, I haven't tasted anything of hers that I haven't liked. The emotion with which it's prepared is far more important to me than the taste.
Hi. This question is for Aishwarya.
The ladies first, Alok, ladies first.
This question is for Aishwarya. Aishwarya, hi. I wanted to ask you, there were talks that you were doing the item number in Ram Leela, but then Priyanka is doing it. Did something go wrong? Why didn't you do it?
Well, evidently, no, nothing needs to go wrong. When there are talks, do people agree or decide otherwise? So we decided otherwise. I think everything will answer itself in the due course of time.
Aishwarya and Abhishek, you guys really look awesome together, as usual, the Bollywood favorite couple.
Thank you. Thank you.
Along with this, I wanted to ask you that, you know, in the TVC, we definitely see that Abhishek कहीं ना कहीं पे मतलब सीटी बज जाती है ऐश्वर्या को देख के और ऐसे कई सारी बार होता है TVC में भी. तो अभिषेक आपने ऐश्वर्या को देख के कितने बार सीटी बजाई है और दिल से कितने बार सीटी बजती है दिन भर? अब भी हमें सीटी बजा के दिखाइए. She's the most beautiful woman.
हाँ जी, मैं आपके साथ agree करूँगा उस बात में. But I believe the true way to court a woman is through your gestures, through your behavior, and through your words. सीटी बजाना जो है, for a lady, I don't think is the right thing to do on an everyday basis.
I married him.
So
You see
I would advise. No, I would strongly advise anybody if they're wanting to woo a lady, be yourself. सीटी बजाने से कुछ ज़्यादा होने वाला है नहीं. ज़्यादातर आपको शायद अगर आप कॉलेज में हो और सीटी बजाते रहें, ज़्यादातर जो है आपको झापड़ तो कोई ना कोई मार देगा. और I think the way to court a woman, I mean, मैंने क्या कभी सीटी बजाई है? अभी तक तो नहीं. So I don't think that's the right thing to do to court a lady. When the pressure cooker is cooking, then fine. But not if you want to court a lady. I've never courted Aishwarya by, bajaying any CTs.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
To the prestigious couple.
Thank you.
And the guys of Prestige. There is one very normal little thing which was forgotten. Like ma'am was saying, after 30 years, after 40 years, but as Prestige is evergreen, you are too. So wouldn't make a difference after 30 years. It will be there same way. It wouldn't go ahead.
I was talking about myself, sir, because if you see me, I'm anything but evergreen, and she obviously won't need any help. I would. So I was talking about myself. But thank you for that compliment. That's very sweet.
Yes, and the guys at the Prestige would have definitely thought that this time our Prestige will be overtaken by some prestigious couple in the screen. But still they admitted that we have to go ahead with it.
Thank you.
Sweet, thank you so much.
Welcome.
हाँ जी आलोक.
सर
आप मुझसे उस फिल्म के बारे में क्या पूछने वाले हैं? हाँ जी. You know, this is such a trick question क्योंकि नहीं आज के दिन मुझे वक्त नहीं मिला है देखने के लिए. So then you're putting me in a situation कि मैंने क्यों नहीं देखी अब तक. But it's been a very hectic day. I'm so sorry. I haven't seen the poster. दिन busy रहता है.
Did you see it?
बच्चा है, life.
Did you like it?
हाँ ना, काफी
You're my
काम.
friend. I'm happy.
Hi, this is Nimrit from Food.
From?
Food. Chef Sanjeev Kapoor's channel, Food.
Okay,
Yes.
great.
Yeah. So quickly, going back to your childhood days, has Abhishek Bachchan ever been a fussy eater? कभी मामा ने जब टिफिन पैक किया हो तो?
जी नहीं, actually I'm a very easy eater. You can feed me the same thing every day and I'll eat it happily.
Today I can vouch for that. I wouldn't know about Bachpan mein, but now definitely he's not a fussy eater at all.
And is he as well mannered in the kitchen?
Oh yeah.
One good thing he can't do, रोटियां गोल बेल लेते हैं अभिषेक. Try किया है?
खोल दो, very good.
No, there's nothing wrong. He's totally fine. I'm telling you.
I'm a good
you don't have to
assistant
look for
chef. I'm a good
snippets.
sous chef. I'm a good assistant to her.
And have you ever cooked up a nice meal for anyone in the family or ever been served?
Have I ever cooked? We both cook meals.
For each other?
Yeah, and
Your-
for the family. We all live together.
Yeah. So, which is the most favorite and the most sinful dessert she's ever done for you?
Halwa she makes very well. Halwa she makes very well.
This is our 7th year of marriage, and we've done lots of interviews. And every time we say this, "Aap bhi sab jante hain," halwa is what he's going to quickly say. So, yeah, that's.
No, she makes quite a lot. She makes quite a lot. It's difficult to choose.
But he'll always have the emotional recall of the first time I made halwa with Grah Pravesh. So obviously, that's the first thing he will always talk about.
अभिषेक आप दोनों से पूछना चाहूंगा, अभिषेक और ऐश्वर्या आप दोनों से पूछना चाहूंगा।
पूछ रहे हैं कि फायर कर रहे हो यार?
पूछना चालू कर रहा हूँ सर, आप शायद सोच रहे हो मैं कहाँ खड़ा हूँ, तो इसलिए
आप वहाँ देख सकते हो।
थैंक यू सो मच, आप मुझे देख सकते हैं, शुक्रिया। आप दोनों से जानना चाहूँगा, जब से प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस चालू हुई है, प्रेस्टीज के बारे में हम सब जानते हैं, हमने सब ने देखी है ब्रांड। आप कह रहे हैं कि उसकी टैगलाइन भी है कि बीवी से कैसे करें इनकार, मतलब इसका मतलब ये हो गया, आप दोनों से जवाब चाहूंगा कि जिसके पास कुकर नहीं है वो अपनी बीवी से प्यार ही नहीं करता
है?
जिसके पास प्रेशर कुकर नहीं है वो बीवी से प्यार ही नहीं करता।
नहीं, क्या हो रहा है भैया कि आप इतनी जोर से चिल्ला रहे हैं कि मुझे कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है, आपकी आवाज जो है फट रही है।
इसका मतलब ये है, जिस तरह से जो टैगलाइन हम सुन रहे हैं, आप भी बोल रहे हैं, ऐश भी बोल रही हैं, मतलब जिसके घर पे प्रेशर,
ऐश्वर्या
जी सॉरी सर, ऑब्वियसली जिसके घर पे प्रेशर कुकर नहीं है वो अपनी बीवी से प्यार ही नहीं करता।
बिल्कुल नहीं।
ऐश्वर्या आप इस बात से इत्तेफाक रखती हैं?
जी।
कब ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बने आप प्रेस्टीज के?
कब ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बने माने? When did we sign? I don't remember the date, लेकिन अभी 3-4 महीने हो गए हैं। अपना जो पूरा कैंपेन है वो शूट भी हो गया है, and we hope that this association lasts for a long time.
This is Ashutosh from Live India. अभिषेक ऐश्वर्या दोनों से मेरा सवाल है, अमित जी का बर्थडे नजदीक आ रहा है, तो आपने कोई खास प्लान्स किया है उसके लिए?
बहुत खास प्लान्स हैं। हम जन्मदिन पे उन्हें बधाई देंगे, प्यार देंगे, उनका आशीर्वाद लेंगे।
अभिषेक
हाँ जी,
आपसे पूछना है कि मतलब अगर आदमी के दिल का रास्ता जो होता है तो उसके पेट के थ्रू जाता है, तो अगर औरत के दिल का रास्ता कहाँ से जाता है आपको लगता है?
दिल से। दिल से
कहाँ से जाता है, मतलब
दिल से?
दिल से।
दिल से।
और एक्सप्लेनेशन देंगे थोड़ा उस पे?
इससे और क्या एक्सप्लेनेशन दूं मैडम? आई कांट गेट मोर ग्राफिक। आप लोग का फैमिली चैनल होता है, या तो कट जाएगा या
अभिषेक इनका बोलने का मतलब है कि अगर हस्बैंड को ज्यादा खुश रखना है ऐश्वर्या, तो उन्हें अच्छा खिलाना पड़ता है अपने हाथों से बना के। लेकिन अगर अपनी वाइफ को खुश करना पड़े तो वो क्या करना पड़ता है, वो ये जानना चाहते हैं।
You have to be kind, you have to be gentle, you have to be understanding, and above all, you have to be loving towards your wife.
One last question.
एक मिनट, सवाल है और सवाल है। एक मिनट। Yes. Buy Prestige is the only tip we'd like to give them. Buy Prestige and
cherish all that's prestigious to you. And that's time, and value your relationship. I think that really, really matters.